lovely peep. I'm just finishing off for my verse. I'm sorry about that. So I'm just finishing off what from my first video, and this is just going to be added on. So anyway, like I said, guys, make sure you hit that notification bell, bing, so you'll be notified when I come with any more lives or videos. And hit that like button. I hope you like that button. Share this video with some of your uncles, auntie, grandmas, everybody. Okay, so we get more lovely peeps. Hit that subscribe button. Come enjoy the family. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. I didn't do a thumbnail, but I'm gonna do a thumbnail. I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Okay. So anyway, guys, like I said, I'm gonna add this on to the other video. Well, it's probably gonna be 2 videos posted up. So, all right. That's over it. So in the meantime, this is gonna be the ending. I don't do too long because I'm gonna add this to the other video. Thank God. I appreciate you guys so much. In the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love. Jesus love you. What's up, my lovely peeps?